Hello. In this video, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano ayusin yung errors sa marketer team when you're trying to upload images or pictures. Okay, so for example, lalagay ko yung picture dyan, choose an image. Okay, yung ganitong error message, an error appeared while uploading an image, error while saving image thumbnail. Okay, we are trying to locate the problem sa marketer theme, but we've found a workaround, so pwede nyong gawin yung mga ipapakita ko dito. Okay, so first thing that you need to do is go into your dashboard. Okay, WordPress dashboard, tapos punta ka sa dito, media, add new. Okay, so once you click on add new, ito yung lalabas. Okay, and then all you need to do is look for the files, yung image na gusto mong i-upload. Okay, so ito. Okay, so once you see this, just click on edit. It will open a new tab or a new page. Kaya ang pinaka kukunin mo dito, pinaka-importante dito is ito. Okay, highlight mo, then copy, then go back to dun sa page na gusto mong lagyan ng image. Okay, let's try again. Punta ka dito sa sorry. So all you need to do is drag and drop yung text. Ayan. And then delete mo yung text. Tapos click mo tong image icon. Okay? Click mo yan, paste mo yung URL ng image. Hit submit. Then click save. Okay? So you can adjust the size. Drag mo lang. Ayan yung maximum. Yan yung pinaka-maximum niya. Okay? So you can upload a much bigger image size. So depende na sa inyo. But that is how we go around the problem. Okay? So stay tuned for updates kung nahanap na namin yung pinaka-problema ng marketer team. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to message us on Facebook sa groups natin. Okay? Alright, thank you very much and have a good day.